This is the Ulanzi VL120 RGB LED video light. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing, show you how it works, and give you some of our initial thoughts. If you do want one of these, they're linked below in the description. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So again, this is the Ulanzi VL120 RGB LED video light. It does 2500 to 9000 Kelvin. It's got a rechargeable battery, 3.7 volt, 3100 milliamp hours, so nice big battery in it. It's got RGB with HSI control, some info on the back there, and it says vlog now with Ulanzi. Let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box here, we've got our quality control certificate, and we've got a charging cable here. This is USB-A to USB-C. We've got a cold shoe mount, so if we want to mount this to a cold shoe or even other mounts, you've got that in there. Of course, our instruction manual, all the info about it there. And let's have a look at the light itself. So that's it there. It comes with this big white diffuser on it. You can see that you can still access all the controls on all the sides there. So that's handy. We can pull that off. It's kind of a rubberized diffuser that goes on there. And that's the unit there. You can kind of see the 120 lamp beads behind there if you hold it at an angle. On the bottom here, you've got your USB-C charging port. On the side here, you've got your power button and your controls for adjusting it. Your mount here for your cold shoe mount. So if you want to mount this to anything, that just screws in here on the bottom. And then on the back here, there's a little screen. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Ulanzi. There's a little reference bar here, which is really neat. It shows you which degree to go to for which color. Again, it does 0 to 360 degrees of full color with color saturation adjustment. Little battery indicator in there. It shows you what mode you're in. So we're in CCT mode. And again, it goes from 2500 to 9000 Kelvin. And I can just adjust that here on the side. We'll just rotate the dial down. And it's going to start going down all the way down to 2500 Kelvin, a really orange light. And we'll go all the way up to 9000. And it's really a white light there. We can also adjust the brightness here. So there's a little dial we can turn if we want it really low, all the way up to 99, 100%, which is really bright. So I'll adjust that down there. So if we tap the mode button here, it's going to take us to the RGB control, and we can look at the degrees here, and we can adjust it to whatever color we want. Just hold up or down on the little kind of side control there, and it'll go through all the 360 degrees of color, right down into the pinks, reds, and oranges. Really cool feature. You've got the HSI here, hue, saturation, and intensity. And you've got different scenes as well. So right now it's on HSI fast. It's going to scroll through the different colors there. You've got HSI slow, different flashing. I don't want to blind you by pointing this at the camera. Green flash, fireworks. So there's a lot of these. There's 20 of them. Lightning, ambulance, and cop car. Just some other quick notes here. Again, it's got the 3100 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium battery. It says it can do up to 2 hours on maximum brightness and 15 hours on the minimum brightness. And again, it charges via USB-C here at the top. Now the port here on the bottom is a 1/4 inch screw for tripod mounting. And I did want to show you the sizing here as well. So it does weigh 120 grams, and it's about 4 and almost 1/4 inches by roughly 2.5, or just slightly over that, by about 1/2 inch or maybe a little bit more. So that's the sizing on it there. And again, it weighs 120 grams. So let's show you how bright the VL120 is. Currently I have my main light off. I've got a little bit of background lighting here, but we'll go ahead and turn this on. And this is at full brightness at 7000 K. And you can see it's way brighter than I would need it to be. It's got the diffuser on there, and we can lower the brightness here. Let's lower that down maybe to about there somewhere. That's a lot better. So lots of brightness. I'm really impressed with how much light it's giving off. If you want all those different colors, you can turn it on to RGB mode, or you can even do one of those scenes if you'd like. where it switches colors or the ambulance or etc. So I'm really quite impressed with this unit. It seems like pretty good build quality. It feels like it's gonna hold up for a long time. But what I'm most impressed with is how bright it is. I'm using it right now. I've got the brightness turned down, but it is really bright. It'd be great for on the go if you're traveling, or extra light in your office, as well as all those colors, the RGB and the scenes if you need extra lighting. Awesome little light that way. Also, it's got an excellent battery life, up to 2 hours of battery life on the brightest mode and up to 15 hours on the low brightness. So lots of battery life in there. Again, great if you're traveling or on the go. And of course, it's nice and small, compact. You can throw it in your bag and you are all set. And again, this is the Ulanzi VL120 RGB LED Video Light. Make sure to check it out.